Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create three-dimensional views in Revit step by step. Three-dimensional views let you visualize your building model from every angle, making it easier to review your design, detect issues, and present your project to clients or team members. So let's get started. First, open your Revit project and make sure your building model contains elements such as walls, floors, doors, windows, or a roof. Once your model is ready, go to the View tab on the ribbon. Next, click 3D View, then choose Default 3D View. Revit will automatically generate an isometric three-dimensional view of your entire building model. If a default three-dimensional view already exists, Revit will simply switch to it. Now use your mouse to explore the model. Hold the Shift key while pressing the middle mouse button to orbit around the building. Use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out, and hold the middle mouse button to pan across the view. These controls make it easy to inspect every part of your project. If you want to customize the view, use the Properties panel to adjust the visual style, detail level, or section box. You can also use the ViewCube in the upper right corner to quickly switch between top, front, side, and perspective views. Once you're satisfied with the view, save your project and consider renaming the three-dimensional view in the project browser if you plan to create multiple custom views for presentations or documentation. And that's it. You now know how to create three-dimensional views in Revit and explore your building model from any angle. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone!